These auditions have to get better. They have to get better. They have to get faster. They have to become more effective. I notice what you're saying. I know because I know you want to book more TV and more film. Listen, if you've been auditioning and doing self-tapes and giving it your all, but you're still not seeing the results that you want to see, I get it and I got you. What's up? I'm Christine Horn, known as the Booking Magnet, and I am a working actress and acting coach, and I am hosting a powerful, fun, interactive, online acting class, and I want you to attend. And here's what you're going to learn. You're going to learn how to have stronger auditions. You're going to learn how to master those self-tapes, and you're going to learn how to stand out to casting directors in a positive way. We're also going to work on that confidence because I know that's a dream killer. Okay. I know it is. So we're going to spend about 2 hours together. Okay. You're going to learn how to break down some scripts like a pro. We're going to do that live. You're going to get real-time feedback on what casting directors are really looking for. You're going to learn how to rate your own self-tape setup and how to instantly improve it. And also you're going to learn how to test out those character building skills in a fun, fast-paced challenge because I have so many little interactive things I want to do with you. So I'm so excited. So this 2-hour training interactive class, let me say that again. It's not me just talking to you while you take notes. Okay. This is interactive. So for this 2 hours, you and me is only $20.25. You see what I did there? 2025. So what that's going to get you is, of course, the class. You'll get the replay recording for you to play over and over and download for yourself. You get the handouts and all the class materials, and you get to have fun and spend 2 hours with me. Listen, 2025 is your year. We're not playing around. You're going to get these auditions and you're going to do an amazing job and feel proud of the work that you're putting into the world. Listen, none of us book every role, but we can at least book every room that we step into. And I want to teach you how to do that. So make sure you choose the date that you see below. Spots are limited to 100 students per class. So make sure you sign up, grab your spot, and let's get you booking.